Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the LSAT. First, you need to understand the exam structure and the types of questions you will encounter. Next, take a full diagnostic test to determine your current score and identify your strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan. Finally, create a comprehensive, 3-month study schedule, allocating specific time for each section and topic. For your first month, focus on building a strong foundation in each LSAT section. Spend significant time understanding the core concepts of logical reasoning, aiming for mastery. Practice analytical reasoning, also known as logic games, daily to develop speed and accuracy. Additionally, review various reading comprehension strategies and question types to improve your understanding and efficiency. During your second month, transition to targeted practice. Take at least one full-length practice test each week under strict, timed conditions to build endurance. After each test, meticulously analyze every single question, both those you answered correctly and incorrectly. This detailed review will help you identify recurring patterns in your errors and pinpoint your weakest areas for focused improvement. In your final month, it is time to refine your skills and solidify your strategy. Aim to complete 2 to 3 full practice tests every week, simulating actual test day conditions as closely as possible. This includes taking breaks at the correct times and managing your energy. Develop a personalized test-taking strategy for each section, ensuring you approach every question type with confidence and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.